All right, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing in 2025, closing out the year. We're fixing to get into Q4, which usually is the highest CPMs, the most money being spent. It really is the time of year, October, November, December, where you as an affiliate can make the most of your money throughout the entire year. Things have been kind of steady, but these are the 3 months that we really want to laser in and focus. In this video, I want to show you what's working, right? So let's jump in. You can see my email account. I'm not going to show you all the other folders that I have, but I do have this folder called New Sale. Not all of my stuff that comes in that shows that I got a referral, a commission on something is tagged in here, but I do have most of them, which is really cool. You can do a lot of things with this information because you can see right over here, all these get tagged with New Sale. I could have all this automatically imported into a Google Sheet using Zapier, and I can get that information to see exactly how much money's coming in. If you get a Warrior Plus sale, I have another email account that all my Warrior Plus sales go into, and I can show you that in a minute. Let's do that right now. Let me go and open up email. I'm going to go and open up another account. If I type in affiliate sale right here in the search box, you're going to see all of the affiliate sales that come in, all the dates right over there. It's very steady income coming in. Look at this. Every single day, sales coming in on Warrior Plus. Now we come back over to my other email account. When I sign up to Softwares and I'm on their reoccurring affiliate program, you'll see ZimWriter right here, SEO Writing AI, Popcorn Theme, JVZoo products, Gumroad. There's a lot of different stuff. Go High Level. These are $200 sales. Look at that, $198 right there. So what you're looking at right here, and you can see the dates of the 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, multiple sales each day. The 30th, 3 sales that day. Every single day I'm getting sales because of things that I've did weeks and months and years ago. And I'm going to prove it to you that it can be literally a year or longer ago, and you can still get paid every single day. And that's what I teach. If you want to learn exactly the ins and out on how you can be laser focused and not get very many views on your YouTube channels, but still make money, I have a school community. It's the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. You can get in for $17. I'm going to be closing the $17 down here in the next few days. So if you are curious, you want to work with me, you want to learn how this is all done, you want to build a real business online, stop chasing all these shiny objects, actually stop guessing and take real action in your business, then you want to come over here, take a look at YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Come join me right now. This is the lowest it's ever been, $17. I'm going to go ahead and end that very soon. It's normally $97 price tag. So come click the first link below. Come join me right now. Just to show you, we have people making money every single day. $481 from Gary right over here. This is a Warrior Plus sale. From one sale, he made $481 right there. People are getting results in the program. Now, what is working with affiliate marketing right now? Well, we can come over here and start taking a look at some of this stuff. So if we can come over here, and what's the first one that I have? Okay, so popcorn theme, right? We come back over here. You can see all these popcorn themes. I noticed I started making sales again. This is what is so crazy about affiliate marketing, especially doing YouTube. You can maybe not make sales for months. I made thousands of dollars when popcorn theme came out a few years ago. It's a WordPress theme designed specifically to be fast and to look really nice for affiliate niche blogs for WordPress. And then all of a sudden in the last week, I've made 4 sales on this. You can see popcorn theme, and popcorn theme. I'm making sales on this and I'm like, what's going on with that? How am I making sales? Well, we can go over here, we can type in popcorn theme review, and you'll see that I'm ranked #1 for popcorn theme right here. You'll be able to see that this was 2 years ago, 2,400 views, and I've made thousands of dollars from just a couple thousand views right there. So your video will rank. You don't have to rank #1 in order to make money because people will come in and watch a couple of these videos. And depending on whoever's link they clicked first or last, it depends on how the affiliate program does it. There's a lot of arguments if it should be first click and it is always registered because you were the first person to tell someone about a product, or if it should be the last click because that's the last person that impacted the buying decision. It depends on how the affiliate program is structured, but nonetheless, people are finding my video, they're watching it. These are nice in-depth videos, 22 minutes long. I'm putting in the effort and it pays off, right? So you're making money with that. You come down here and you can see that LearnWire is a top channel for this search term, and we are making sales. Here's the proof. The proof is right here in front of you. In the last week, made 4 sales on something that I did 2 years ago, a video from 2 years ago. Okay. So what is the next thing, right? We're going to look at Go High Level review. I got all these Go High Levels. Look, $198 right there. We come down here. Where's another one? We keep scrolling down. I had another one down here, and then we'll come over here and take a look at Go High Level. You don't have to rank number one in order to get sales, right? So we'll keep scrolling down here. We're not one of the top channels that makes content on this. I believe I only made like one video on it actually, but it says people also watch. So I don't know where I'm ranked, but it does say people are watching Go High Level. Again, less than 3,000 views a year ago, and I'm still making sales for Go High Level, $200 a pop, right? I'll take it. Go High Level has a really high retention rate for people that actually decide their platform. If you start building a business on a platform like that, chances are you're going to sign up as an annual or continue to pay your membership month after month, because moving your business to another platform is a pain in the butt. Believe me, I've done it a few times. It's a really good software to promote, and they pay pretty hefty, and it's a reoccurring. So imagine if you get paid $198 for one customer per month because they're on like a $600 plan or whatever it is. All you have to do is just sign up 4 people and you're already making like $1,000 extra per month. It doesn't take a whole lot of sales in order to make quite a bit of money per month. Let's take another one. SEO Writing AI review. I make sales on this almost daily. You can come over here, SEO Writing AI, and sometimes it's $3.91, sometimes it's $30. It depends on what plan they're on, but it doesn't matter. Look, SEO Writing right there. There's another $3 one, $4 one. You keep coming down here, SEO Writing right there. You know, you just keep coming through and you can see there's a $5 one. Then there's one for $31. Someone's on a way higher plan, and I'm making $31 for that customer every single month. You can see SEO Writing AI. So I'm making another $30 sale per month. And it's a software that I don't have to worry about customer support. I don't have to do anything other than make videos. So we're not ranking. It's very competitive software, but you can see that top channels for this search term, vidIQ is ranking me still as number one, even though I'm not ranking. We scroll way down here. Where is my video? I'm somewhere in here. You can see right over here, SEO Writing AI, we did get 12,000 views over 2 years ago, and we're still benefiting from all these videos that we created. This is a different way of doing YouTube than everybody else is teaching you. Only 2,000 views right here, only 12,000 views. We're not talking about 100,000 million views or anything like that, and we're making money, okay? Let's go take a look at the other one, right? So we're on Auto Affiliate Review. We'll see if we have any sales on here. We're not ranking in the top 3. We're ranked number 6. We got 2,000 views on the video, and we still have sales coming in. Let's just go and see, look at right over here. It's a JVZoo product auto affiliate. It's a reoccurring monthly $7, but all this stuff adds up to $10,000 to $15,000 per month on a channel that struggles to get even 1,000 views for every video. So this is not based on getting a lot of views on your videos. It's about being laser targeted and helpful, because somebody else might have already told them, hey, you should check out Popcorn Theme. What's the first thing they're going to do? They're going to come over here to YouTube. They're going to type in Popcorn Theme. They're going to go and find my video. I'm super helpful. I dive deep into it, why they should purchase it. Sometimes, depending on if it's a Warrior Plus product or something like that, I'll even offer bonuses, and it just further entices people to make that purchase. Okay. And that's what is still working. I don't know how I can prove to you that this stuff works. We don't even have to get very many views on our videos, and we make sales every single day as an affiliate on multiple email accounts. Look, this is just one email account with my softwares and stuff that I'm selling directly with people, even $200 reoccurring payments from Go High Level. We come over here to my other email, and you can see day after day, hundreds of dollars. We can go into my Warrior Plus account, and I can show you, we'll see where my 30-day tracker is at. I haven't updated it in 3 days. We're still at $4,000, all affiliate commissions right there. No money coming in today, yesterday, $18, last 7 days. I haven't done any videos or any promotions, still making $200 in the last 7 days without doing a thing, right? So it all adds up. Promote Warrior Plus products, other products that have their own affiliate programs, promote your course. You build all that together, and then you have this nice, structured, steady income source where you make sales on a daily basis from multiple sources, where if one of them isn't doing good, usually another one picks up, and it all works itself out. So that is still what's working with affiliate marketing in 2005. That's still what's working. If you want to always stay up with what is the latest things happening with affiliate marketing, I encourage you to come over here and join my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator right here. I'd love to have you as our next member. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.